Today we solve exercise 4.2 question number 3. How to solve this question? X6 minus 9x cube plus 8 is equal to 0. What is the square of this? X cube. X cube square. 3 2s are 6. So x cube is the square of x6 minus 9x cube plus 8 equal to 0. Now if we consider this term, let y is equal to x cube. Then our equation will become in simplest form. How? We consider x cube as y, so y square minus 9, we consider this as y plus 8 equal to 0. Now we can break the midterm. And how can we break? First of all, we'll take the coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square is 1. When there is no coefficient, we always write 1. And then when there is no sign, we always put positive sign. So plus 1 and simple constant is plus 8. We multiply both terms. 8 ones are 8 plus plus plus. Now we'll make factor. How to break the midterm? By making factor. 8 ones are 8. 2 4s are 8. In which numbers 8 will come? 8 comes in the table of 1. 8 comes in the table of 2. 8 comes in the table of 4. Now our factors are repeating. 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. So our factors are completed. Now choose 8 1 minus 1 9, 4 minus 2 6, 4 minus 2 2. If we add 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 2 6, it means factor is 8 and 1. If we write minus sign and minus sign, minus minus plus 8 plus 1 9, sign is minus. It means factors are minus 8 and minus 1. And if we multiply minus minus, minus 8 and minus plus 8 ones are 8. So our criteria is fulfilled. So we write y square plus 8 equal to 0, and minus 9y will become minus 8y minus y. First step is completed. Now second step is taking common. Y is common from these two terms. Y. What is left? Y. When y is outside the bracket, minus 8 is left. Now we can see here that 8 is with the sign of minus. It means we will take minus as common. Minus minus plus y, and minus. So we will take minus 1 common. There is no common. If we take 1, minus minus plus minus plus minus. Minus into plus, minus 8 equal to 0. Both these two terms are same. We write it one time y minus 8 and we put these in one bracket. One time we will take y minus 8 equal to 0, and next time we write y minus 1 equal to 0. So y minus 8 we take in the right side, minus 8 will become plus 8, and y minus 1 will become plus 1. Now here we suppose y is equal to x cube, and here y is equal to x cube put. So y is equal to x cube. X cube is equal to 1. Now x cube is equal to 8. x cube minus 8 equal to 0. And x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Now x is a cube of x and minus 2 is a cube of 8 is equal to 0. So what is the formula of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula. So we write a minus b, x minus 2 and a square x square plus a into b, a into 2 into x, a into b plus b square 2 square equal to 0. X minus 2 and x square plus 2 into x 2x plus 2 2s are 4 equal to 0. Now we will take x minus 2 equal to 0 first time, and second time we will take x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 when taking the right side, minus 2 will becomes plus 2. Now we'll make factor. 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 2 0. It means there is no factor of 2x. So we'll put quadratic formula. How to put quadratic formula? Here a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is 1 and x square coefficient of x square is a, and coefficient of x is b is 2, and simple constant is c. Now we will directly put quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b is minus 2 under root plus minus under root b square. B is 2 2s are 4 minus a into b. A square minus b plus minus under b square minus 4 into c over 2a. Minus b plus minus b square. B square is 4. 4a into c. C is 4 into 1. 4 1s are 4 into 4. 4 divided by 2 into 1. 4 1s are 4. 4a into c. 4 1s are 4. A square minus 4a into b. Now minus 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 4 4s are 16 by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 minus 12 by 2. Minus 2 plus minus 12. Factor of 12 are 2 6 are 2 3s are 2 का square. It means 2 is outside the minus under root 3 is left 2. 2 is common. So 2 and 2 is common. 2 minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by minus 3. And second time we will take x cube minus 1. So again we apply a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube equal to 0. So a minus b into a square plus a into b. X ones are x plus b square. b1 and 1 square equal to 0. First of time we take x minus 1 equal to 0, we put as next time x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1, x is equal to 1. And now we solve x square plus x. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. 1. There is no factor of x, so we will put quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b. Sorry. First of all, we'll write a is equal to, coefficient of square is a is 1. B is also 1 and C is also 1. Now x is equal to minus b. B is 1 plus minus under root b square. 1 square minus 4a into c. A is 1, C is 1. 2 into 1. Minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 by 2. Minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by 2. So our solution set will become positive 2 plus 1 and positive 2 1 and minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 and minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 by 2, which is our required solution.